Hi and welcome back to Asset Motor Show. Today I will take you on a highlight of the top JDM cars that are here at the show. As you can see behind me we have the NSX and the Evo right on my left and much more others. So stay tuned and let's get to the video. And we end the video here next to these two beautiful cars. Please let me know which of the JDM tuned cars you like most. Leave them in the comments below. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and give a like. And I will see you in the next video. Stay in touch.